Hey guys, it's Daniel with SmallVansBigworld. Welcome back to another van tour. We're really excited to show you guys this one. We have a little bit of a refresh on the designs on the interior. And then also, I'm excited to show you 3 brand new features that we are showcasing in this van build right here. So let's go ahead and jump in and check it out. So right here, we have a 2020 Ford Transit Connect. As you can tell, it has the windows. So that means it's a passenger van, long wheelbase. So since we have the windows, we can't add any windows with screens. So we do actually the window deflectors on all 4 windows, so that you can have the windows open a little bit to get some fresh air in your van. Accompanied with that is a brand new product that I've created, and I'm really excited to tell you guys about it. It's going to be a window insert vent that we'll have a little more details on that later. On the top of the roof, we have a 200-watt solar panel. It's a bifacial, so you get the extra efficiency from the bifacial gain. And then on top of the roof is the main AC unit, which is a 12-volt rooftop AC unit. Really excited to showcase this product as well for you guys. In the rear, around the perimeter, you have a few exterior lighting, and then also at the bottom, there's going to be a place for a 120-volt shore power hookup. Alrighty, hopping in on the interior, I'm excited to show you guys. We have a really nice light colored layout, a great aesthetic. This client really wanted a very light wood ceiling with white walls, white cabinetry, light colored floors. I really love the way this turned out. It's a really high quality build in the sense that just everything came together so nicely. So like you guys have seen in our other builds, we have the overhead shelf over here, nice and very spacious, great for lightweight items. You can fit a ton of clothes, towels, bedding, whatever you want. Up here, your pillows. We have window covers that we provide you with as well. That goes up there really nicely. This van actually came with a integrated skylight, so we were able to build that in as well. The shade that it comes with still functions, as you can open it and close it. You have a little peek of the solar panel above us as well. For a quick cabin divider, we offer that like pull up shade thing, or also this client actually wanted some hooks for a curtain. So we have hooks for that if you wanted that as an option. And then down here, as you've seen in our other builds, we start off with a refrigerator right over here. This is a dual zone one. All the cushions are also held down by Velcro, and also have a zipper that you can take off your cushion fabric to be able to wash it. Next from here is going to be a nice big storage box here in the front. You can fit a lot of large items. Right underneath me is going to be your toilet. So a porta potty right here, they can pull it out and use it right here. Also accessible from the side door, and then a whole ton of storage space underneath the bed as well. People have suggested that we do drawers under the bed, but that does take up a few extra inches of space, whereas we'd really like to maximize the storage space. Every single inch in these really do matter. Let's go ahead and jump over here to see the electrical. We have a light switch with an integrated dimmer for your 12-volt lighting in the van. We have a 120-volt outlet, a 12-volt outlet, USB and USB-C power delivery ports, a battery meter that's going to always show you your battery level, a display for the built-in inverter, and then a couple other switches here for some lighting, and then also the heat pads for the battery and the 10 gallons of water in the floor. Built into the floor is a 300 amp hour lithium battery, so that really packs a punch. It's going to last you a really long time. It's also going to be running that 12-volt AC unit for a long time, and we're going to even show you guys a little bit of a capacity test and some temperature tests with that running as well. So like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we have a new product that we are featuring, something that we're making here in our shop. So really excited to give this as an option for you guys. So this is a window insert vent. So in this case, since we have the rooftop AC unit, we don't have a vent for ventilation. So what we're trying to accomplish with this is have a quick insert that you can vent your van when you're parked or whether you're sleeping. If it's nice weather outside, you can just get that nice fresh air through. And this is going to be just a really easy plug and play. That's going to be great for not just our clients, but then also for anybody that wants to purchase this. So if you did want to purchase one, go to our website and find it for sale there. If it's not on our website yet, because this is a new thing that we're developing, go ahead and send us an email and we can get you one ordered sooner than later. So what we have here is an all acrylic unit with 12-volt fans on the rear, and then it even has a dimmer to be able to modulate the speed of these fans. And it's super quiet. It puts in, it's going to be sucking the air in, puts out a lot of good air. It is nice and quiet. It has integrated screens as well. And then it also just runs on 12 volts off of our car socket right over here, or it can run on USB-C power delivery as well. So this is going to be something that anybody can use in their van, whether it's our builds or not. You can power it from a power station, insert it into the window of your Ford Transit Connect, and then we're going to be coming out with different versions for different vehicles as well. So we're excited about that. So looking at the van from the back door, you can see we have a very nice stylish cabinet right over here, featuring white laminate. We have some switches along here. We have gold faucet and gold hardware that is in this van. We have the farm style sink, epoxy countertops. We have a nice natural finish on these. We have some storage shelves over here up against the windows. And then something that's new, a little refresh that we've done to our cabinet, is actually these flush inset cabinet doors. So instead of the door sticking out, now we are completely flush with the surface of the cabinet, giving us for a very nice sleek look. So we have storage in these two compartments, a nice big drawer right over here that can fit a single burner cooktop or something like that. An integrated table right here, so great for a little extra cooking space or for your laptop to do some work. And then inside of this lower cabinet, we have all of our electronics built into it right here. Since we have the battery in the floor, we actually have a little bit of extra storage space right over here that's usable. And then the rest of it is dedicated to electronics. For our electrical, like I mentioned, we have that 300 amp hour lithium battery and a 2000 watt inverter. If you saw our installation of our AC unit, we also mentioned these batteries and this inverter that we're now using by Dr. Prepare. So if you guys are interested in these products, go ahead and check out the links in the description. One last great place for some storage is this cabinet right over here. It's nice, easily accessible, and be able to store some really great sized items in there. For our bed system, as you guys have seen, it's a futon style mattress that then opens up. So let me show you that right now. You have two of the locking drawer slides under there. You get the strap ready, and then go ahead and pull it down, let it drop. And now you have a very comfortable sleeping arrangement for even up to 2 people. You'll be cozy sleeping with 2 people, but really nice support with a 4-inch memory foam mattress. Like I mentioned, removable fabric, and you'll get a really nice cozy sleep in here. When you're in bed mode, you have a nice little light right over here, night light with the USB port that then you can put your phone or other devices in this nook right over here by the window. And then one last feature that I really like is our pull-out table right over here, where you can just really sit back and enjoy your cup of coffee in the morning or your cup of tea at night. So now let's take a look at that 12-volt AC unit and let's see what that thing can do. So taking a look at the AC unit, we have a 12-volt rooftop AC unit by OutEquip Pro. They sent it over to us to go ahead and give it an install and go ahead and give it a test and see what we like about it. And so far, I'm really loving it. For one, really low profile to the roof. It's just almost as low as profile as a fan. So not taking up a lot of roof space, because over here in a micro camper van, that really does matter for us. So let's go ahead and turn it on and take a look. Alrighty, we have it set to 66 degrees, and let's open up the little vents. And as a matter of fact, right now, it's on the lowest setting, fan noise. And as a matter of fact, right now, it's on the lowest fan noise, and it's really quiet. I can definitely picture sleeping in here, no problem. Going to keep me really nice and cool throughout the night. So the temperature ranges from 63 degrees all the way to 80. And yes, this does heat as well. It has heat mode, fan mode, AC mode as well, and then even an integrated light. So we're going to even test out to see what can this thing do in, let's say, 30 minutes. It's a really nice hot day today. It's about 88 degrees outside. So perfect day to try this out. So we're going to park this thing in the sun, go ahead and crank up the AC unit, and let's see what can it do. Check out the numbers that we got.
With the thermometer placed in the van, you can see that the top number is the outdoor temperature, and then the bottom number is the indoor temperature. The temperature inside the van started at 84 degrees. I set the AC to the max setting, and within 15 minutes, the van cooled down to below 70 degrees. As you noticed, I didn't even have the window covers on for this cool down test, so you can imagine how much more quickly the van would cool down with the window covers on. At the start of this test, the battery meter was at 99%, and then after this test, it was at 94%. Through the meter, I can see that on the highest cooling setting, I'm using about 50 amps from the battery. So even though this would not be necessary or realistic to run on high, if you did, the 300 amp hour lithium battery divided by the 50 amps output would give you a total hours of 6 hours of runtime. Now on the lowest fan speed, which is plenty to maintain the temperature all night long, the AC is only using 20 amps. At this rate, with our 300 amp hour battery using only 20 amps, this would last us easily 15 hours. So this is 15 hours of runtime completely off-grid without any additional input. Now, if you add the 200 watts of solar on the roof during the daytime, or alternator charging, or being plugged in, you can certainly extend that runtime to a lot more.
Okay, so I'm really satisfied with the numbers that we got. This thing is going to be really efficient, totally a great option to run off-grid. Combine that with a 200-watt solar panel, you're going to be running this thing for several hours. So if you want to get one installed on your van, let us know. Or if you want to just buy one, go ahead and check out the link in the description and then use our coupon code for your purchase. So like you can see, we have a really nice gold faucet over here. It's going to be easily pulling out so that you can wash your dog out, wash your feet, anything out here. Take a little shower as well. It has a nice spray feature. And then right here, conveniently located, is going to be your water pump switch. It's blue as well, so you can totally remember which one's which. Some interior lighting, some exterior lighting, and then even a switch for the dump valve for the 2.5 gray water tank that's underneath the van. You just hit that button and it just empties the tanks for you. And then when you turn it off, it closes that valve automatically. And then if we walk around to the passenger side of the van, we'll be able to see where we fill up our water tanks. So right over here, as you can see, we still have access to that storage box, even the toilet from right here. And then down here, we have our fill. For our water tank, we have 10 gallons worth of water built into the floor. You have a gauge right over here that you're going to be able to see exactly where your water level is at. With the integrated heat pad, this van is actually ready for 4 seasons. This client specifically wanted to be able to go traveling in the winter. She's actually from Colorado, so she's ready for the summer or the winter. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch this van tour. I hope you liked it. Really excited to show you guys these new features. And stay posted for our next upcoming projects, including the Toyota Sienna that we purchased and are going to be putting for sale. So if you're interested in that, let us know. And then also, if you're interested in getting your van build as well, go ahead and shoot us an email or visit us on our website at SmallVansBigworld.com. Email us at SmallVansBigworld@gmail.com for any product info, even that window vent insert if you'd like to have one for yourself. Really excited to make you one. For right now, they're going to be made by hand, assembled per order. So just let us know if you're interested in one. Looking forward to see you guys on the next one.